you read the title correctly. Today we're at Drayton Manor. I don't really remember much of it. I literally have forgotten everything about this place. I honestly don't know which ride I'm gonna go on first, but I forgot to mention there is a new ride here called Gold Rush, which you know who's going to be testing out today. The more I look around, the more I remember. Well, it looks like I'm going to be meeting a lion now. He was called Rory. I got to fist bump him and give him a good hug, and I would definitely meet him if I were you, because it's £0. You don't have to pay out, and it's a great experience for photos and stuff. So I'm going to give that a 10 out of 10 because I loved that lion. Drayton birds. Next up, I'm going to go on the dodgems, because everybody knows on this channel, if you've been watching Jud Ventures again, you know I always go on the dodgems whenever I see them. Yeah, blah blah, I'm going on them already. Okay, calm down. That was a brilliant ride, bashing me man and me mum. Next up, I'm gonna go on that. That was brilliant. You were literally sliding everywhere in seat. It was crazy, that. And I found out the name. It's called the Jolly Buccaneer. I have a very weird mother, literally. Well, I just watched nearly the entire show. It was a little bit too childish for me, but if you bring a kid here, then definitely go watch that show, because you can get your kid dancing. So now we're going into the Vikings part of Drayton Manor. I'm going on it. That ride was flipping crazy. I mean, when you get on it, it just zooms off. Well, I have decided that I am a little bit hungry, so I've bought a hot dog from a nice restaurant here in Drayton Manor called Fun Foods Restaurant. This hot dog looks absolutely delicious. So now I'm gonna go look in the shop. So next up, I'm gonna go on the haunting ride. So it actually wasn't that bad. I'd probably give it a 6 out of 10 because it was really creepy, and I don't like creepy things. I just went on it because I wanted to. So yeah, I'll just give it a 6. But anyway, I'm going to go on Gold Rush next, which is going to be absolutely mental. So I've just been on Gold Rush, and I'm probably going to give it a 9 out of 10. It's so crazy, and it's, well, me and my mum got on the front, and well, literally in the front seat. Like, look at that. So 9 out of 10 for that one. So now I'm going to go on a big pirate ship swing thing that goes round in a circle, and think it's going to be fun. It was the Flying Dutchman ride, that's what it's called. It was good, man. Nan hated it somehow. I literally don't know how somebody cannot like that. But it was good. So, next up on the list, I'm going to go to Thomasland and check out some stuff there. And then I'm probably going to go on Thor in Viking Land, in the Viking part of the park. So, let's go. Just been to the shop, and with my own money I bought this lobster. Next up I'm gonna go to Thomasland and I'll film over there, and if there's any shows on at the time that we're there, I'll film them for you. You can meet Sir Topham Hatt, bro. What? You can meet Sir Topham Hatt, look.
Yeah.
Well, that is cool. Next up, I'm going to go on Jeremy's Flying Academy, which is that. It looks really cool, and the whole reason I want to go on it is because of the steering wheels. I like the steering wheels. And oh my god. Is that a spinning Toby? Well, that ride was really fun, but I didn't have fun because my mum's too scared to go in the sky.
Rollercoaster.
Next up, I'm gonna go on Toby.
What, even for Fast Pass?
So that is pretty much it for Thomasland, really, because it's getting a little bit late now. We have 2 hours left of today's venture. So basically what we're going to do now is we're going to take my nan around the zoo. So basically what we're going to see there is we're probably going to see some monkeys, some meerkats and birds. I specifically want to see the monkeys because I love monkeys, because they go like It's digging a hole. What the hell is it doing?
Hello.
Let's move on to the next animal, shall we?
Reptile house.
Reptile house. Little froggies.
Yes.
So, oh my god, what's that? Western forest egg-eating snake. Oh my god, egg-eating. That's the best name yet. Cotton top. Tamarin monkey. it's Monkeyland. I love Monkeyland so much. Because there's a lot of monkeys. I bet these things make like 120 leaps of faith a day. Oh my god.
Red panda.
Red panda! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my! Oh my! Yeah, those ones act like humans. I love those. Those are the sized monkeys I like. I think it's Spencer. What did I say? What did I say? Wow, there's a whole... Here we go. Subscribe! This is risky. Oh no. Oh my god. Stop wobbling. Oh my god. Here we go. It's gonna be fun. Oh my god. I'm far away from my house, and I don't like being far away from my house. I love being places like here, but I just don't like the feeling of being far away from my cats, far away from all my family. But at the end of the day, you're here and you're having fun, and coming to a theme park is something that you don't usually get to do, and most people don't have the chance to come places like here. So if you end up coming to a theme park like this, then just respect that you're actually there, because trust me, there's a lot of people in the world, a lot of poor people that can't even go anywhere, and there's some people that don't even get to go out of the house usually often, and we get to go to theme parks and stuff because I
Yay.
that thing said hello to me 5 times, and it also did and we're out of the zoo.
In front of all the big rides.
Well, now is the time that we sadly leave Drayton Manor until probably maybe later in the year,
Ladies and gentlemen,
or
boys
in
and girls,
2026.
of all ages, get ready to strut your stuff
So,
as Rory's disco
that's
dance
it for
off will be
today
coming
at
your way
Drayton
in
Manor.
only 2 minutes.
And so yeah, let's go to the cottage.